Ebekunena ngicela ukutestifya la. Khona labanye bakuthanze but iqiniso le. Bayathi mina every time maswatakithi. Nangibona Sobhuza. Ngibona time alarm 100%. 100%. James Percy Galela Nkosi. Namatatazela. I see both men when I look at King Sobhuza. Everything to the XYZ. Mambuka lesimong, lamalayini la. Nangibuka le gap yamatingweni, nalesihluthu la nhloko, nalama cheekbones. Everything. And when he smiles, it's my father come alive. Sobhuza. That's how I know. It's 100% same blood. Namatatazela. Matatazela vele. Both my father and Matatazela were spitting image of King Sobhuza. Spitting image of King Sobhuza the second. Those who know my father. The only thing nje babu ambeka lidushu. My father was a colored. So Sobhuza was a little dark. My father was a light-skinned version of King Sobhuza. Namatatazela nabeka khanya. He was a light-skinned version of his father. But both men, spitting image of that man, King Sobhuza the second. So what? My father is 100% King Sobhuza. Those who know my father. Those who know Matatazela is 100% King Sobhuza. Makhosetive, not even 1%. Lomabanda. Not even 1%. You see, this is the biggest fraud in the whole history of Swaziland. Makhosetive akusimva na Sobhuza bekunene. Asenime nje kudlala. Akasuye makhosetive wa Sobhuza. There's not even one trait. Unemphandla. Akana gap lamatingweni. Lama cheekbones. Akafana na Sobhuza. Those are the signature looks abantu ba Sobhuza, including the girls. Makhosetive akafana na Sobhuza bekunene. Akusuye wa Sobhuza. You see, fraud. It's the biggest fraud ever in the whole history of Swaziland, ever known to man. Angitshele nje, ngisho bonke abantu abamakhosetive, kude ngisho umnyolo fana na Sobhuza. Bafana na ngani macwatha bonke babancane labantwana. Banemacwatha. Uthatha phi impandla amakhosetive? That demonstrates you are easily duped. Makhosetive akusiya wa Sobhuza. Mina I can bet you, asendi DNA bekumene. Akwendiwe le DNA. Bantu ba Sobhuza basekhona mina ngiyabathi. Asekuthathwa le DNA baba. Kubanjwe nangiphasha isikhangiso Dlamini. Kukhokhwe lengadi. Ihambe neyofaka elebhe icomparisho. Sibone ukuthi nembala vele. Makhosetive wa Sobhuza. If ungasuye kufuna aphume lapha kulobukhosi. Because wayithatha lemva ngefraud. Sanza nasalimukula sanza nasala lamasuku lasangela ngemdzidzi lapha. Sala na wonke umuntu. Sala na wonke umuntu. Bosozisa. Bomfana sibili. Bombhilini. Yonke le gang bolutho. Bocruiser. So vela bevela ingwaba banekadzeni logogo. Ntombi Thwala. Ebekunamse asenemidlala la. Makhosive wabuntshontshwa lobukhosi. Let's just be clear lapha. Huh? Maswatakitsi. Mina I can see my father in Sobhuza 100%. When he smiles, the cheekbones, the four lines, the gap in the teeth, the afro, everything 100%. Including my aunts. My aunts, nabatalwa ngiSobhuza babu wami. Batalwa ngumvane Nkosi Magumede. You see what I'm saying? Khelwa ngathi msila. Yifraudly. Makhosetive. That's why he behaves the way he does. Ngoba ude siqosa Sobhuza. Sobhuza was a very kind, generous man. Very humble. Respected the people of Swaziland. Yinja le Masimbenje. Isonza abantu. Ifuye inja lapha. Labulele Maswati all over the country. Washo ukuthi uthunya esigodlo. Umfuyile makhosetive lapha. Bese kufika naklima lithi hayi ayikho lemvo yamandla leAmerica. Uyakhuluma nje umuntu. Mandla le mfo yakhe vele asiyadi. Okay. Bye bye.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Monty is back again with another video or exposing King Mswati, the dead to King Mswati uthi nje akasuye nje abantwana sobhuza, they are not even related, and he's also saying ukuthi ulapha na awuhleli lapha kule situlo ahleli kuso ngemgunyati butsotsi fraud lele nto yalaphayana, uthi they are not even related, abafani nokufana. Uyithathaphi uKing Mswati Mpandla, uthi ngisho kungabanjwa umntwana akho uSikhanyiso obayomthatha ama-DNA bathathe nebantu abasobhuza, ongeke kumeshe ngoba vele akasimfana akhe. Uthi yena nje utolukhuluma liqiniso noma abantu bangabhizi bathi hey ukhuluma kakhulu akasukile eMelika ayiswatini yobukana nelitino latikhuluma ukuthi nje ngeke ahlala ngakhuluma vele akasuye mntwana wasobhuza lo Masimbenja. So people are saying ukuthi hey uyasichaza masokuthi Masimbenja. Guys, I don't know if I'm toxic for liking umuthi Nkosi yami, he's so funny. I know nje ukuthi whenever I come across a video yamuntu ontohleka because uyahlekisa mani lo babe khuluma like it's just so fun, uyangihlekisa. Then clearly kusho ukuthi mina ngi-toxic cause ngiya-enjoy ngisho nokumlalela akhuluma. And ubhizi ngama-video lately njena awubhizi userious wena ama-video uthuka Shembe, uthuka King Mswati ababhanqa abantu noma bathi bamkhutha athi nje phumani nje kimi niyaphuma nje nile kimi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.